So this is a review of the CASEKOO Magic Stand iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover that's in the clear. It's a 6.9 inch, so it's for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, so 6.9 inches that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys all the features about this iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover, and we're going to pretty much test it out, show you guys how it looks like, and from there show you guys whether or not if this case cover for the iPhone 17 Pro Max is worth it. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we got everything out of this package, and one cool thing I love about this iPhone case cover is that it comes with some stickers. That's a huge plus right there. A bunch of stickers that look really cool, and you can pretty much stick it anywhere. And then not just that, it comes with the card that says a magic stand, so that's one feature it has. Then it has a magnet thing, so you can pretty much use that as like a MagSafe charger to pretty much charge it up. And it also states that it's a certified military protection. So if this iPhone case, this iPhone pretty much falls down, it will protect your iPhone from getting damaged. So it has that military grade protection to your iPhone to protect it from, from pretty much getting damaged. And not just that, one thing I do love about this particular iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover is that it comes with a magnetic ring stand, which I'll show you guys in a second of how you can pretty much use this and pretty much like watch any show, some TV or anything like that, or something, you could watch something and you could use the ring stand as to pretty much put it on a stand. But yeah, I'm gonna pretty much now put my iPhone 17 Pro Max case into this cover and show you guys how exactly it looks like. Okay, so this is the finished results of the iPhone 17 Pro Max clear case cover. That's a 6.9 inch in size, and this is in a deep blue color. One thing I do want to say is that it looks extremely beautiful, but not just by looking beautiful. The main important factor that I believe this iPhone case cover, it has compared to other iPhone case covers, that it offers military grade protection. So if by any chance it falls down, it will offer protection and, help your iPhone from not getting damaged the most possible way it could get damaged. You can see here, it's really the the way how it's designed, the layout of this case cover, it's really strong and it will hold against if, by any chance if it falls down. But not just that, it comes with this magnetic ring stand. So pretty much you could pretty much watch a TV show, pretty much you could do anything. It comes with a stand, so I could, press this thing like here, and right here, you could, pretty much stand it laying on top, and then you could do a vertical, and then not just that, but horizontal as well too. But not just that as well too, it offers protection right by your camera lens right over here, so you can see here. And that is something very important because you don't want to get your camera lens, getting damaged by any chance. If your iPhone 17 Pro Max falls down, it'll offer protection right over here on the sides. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how it is when you stand it up. So pretty much from here, I just take this thing right here and then pick the iPhone up like that. And pretty much stand it up just like this. So you could have it vertical, just like this, how I'm having it. And then also number 2 format style you can have is horizontal. So I lay it down just like this. And from there, you could have it just like this as well too. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this CASEKOO iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover, 6.9 inch in size, and this is in a deep blue color. It offers more variety of colors as well too, just like cosmic orange. Then there's a white one. There's plenty of color options you could choose from, but yeah, I absolutely love this case cover. It is extremely beautiful. The mechanism, the design, the way how they have this layout of this iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover is very beautiful and outstanding. And I would definitely recommend this case cover if you're looking for a new iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover. Then I would definitely recommend this CASEKOO iPhone 17 Pro Max case cover because of the fact that it looks extremely beautiful. It matches with the color of my deep blue color, but not just that, it offers the protection. It has the magnetic ring stand, and it just overall, it just looks better compared to the other types of iPhone 17 Pro Max case covers. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this case cover. If you're looking for a new case cover, then this one by far is probably one of the best case covers you could get for your new iPhone 17 Pro Max.